Yeah, good. So let's continue. So as we said, this is the chain of beta, made of beta 1 to 4 glycosidic bond. And by the way, the alpha 1 to 4 glycosidic bond or alpha chain, this is the starch. Okay, starch has alpha glucoses linked together. Okay, while cellulose has beta glycosidic bonds, beta
So base,
glucoses.
so
Okay,
beta glucoses are more structurally stable.
yeah, actually now the beta glucose is same of alpha glucose. Don't forget, the beta glucose is same of alpha glucose except the position of OH and H, but the bond is different now. The bond the bond of alpha, now for example, we can digest starch, our bodies can digest starch but cannot digest cellulose. Why? Because we have the enzymes which digest the alpha glycosidic bonds, but we don't have the enzymes in our guts, we don't have the enzymes which digest beta glycosidic bond. You got the point?
Yeah.
Okay, so here animals, some animals, cows and others, they have the enzymes, or actually they don't, they have bacteria. These bacteria digest these bonds beta. So you find the cows and other animals have a symbiosis relationship with bacteria in their guts to break down the beta glucoses. We don't have these bacteria in our guts. Okay, guys? So if you eat cellulose, or which we call it fibers, your body does not digest it. Okay, because we don't have the enzymes which digest it, and we don't have the bacteria which able to digest it. Okay, guys? This is not only the one thing which beta glycosidic bonds make cellulose tough. Now, what you have to know that the starch found in helical structure, it's not straight like this, it's helical like this, but still any same. While the cellulose straight lines like this. Why? Because in beta glycosidic bonds, which form in cellulose, in this form, in this direction, look at this and look at this. Look at this, upward, downward, right? The carbon number 6, do you see carbon number 6?
Yes.
Yeah, one up, one down. Carbon number 6, now I want to take, oh, I draw on it. I have another copy here. Yeah, this is another copy for cellulose. This is a cellulose, guys, okay? If I take one copy of this one and put it under it like this, like a parallel strains. Okay, guys? Now I just took a cellulose chain with cellulose chain like this. Okay, guys? This is beta 1 to 4 glycosidic bond. And here one beta 1 to 4 glycosidic bond. You can see that the hydrogen which found here and the carbon, the oxygen on the carbon here are toward each other, or face each other, right?
Can you repeat that?
The hydrogen on this carbon
Yes.
and the oxygen on this carbon.
Yeah.
Which this carbon number what? Who knows?
Um,
It's same of this. Carbon number what?
3.
3. Excellent. This carbon number 3. What about this carbon? Or this?
Which one? This one? That's 6.
6.
No, yeah, 6.
Yeah, 6. Right, guys? The others. Do you hear me?
Sir, are you moving the cursor? I can't see.
Yeah, we can't see the cursor. We only see it when we write something.
Yeah, the cursor moves.
Oh, glitch? Okay. Wait, I'll repeat. I'll zoom in more. Okay. My question, this carbon,
Yeah.
carbon number 3, right? And this carbon here on this branch, carbon number what? 6.
We
I
can't.
So we
yeah,
can't see
the
the
cursor
mouse moving.
doesn't move. Can you like
It's
Now,
it's not moving?
can you see the mouse?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
good. So
moves
Yeah,
sometimes
now.
and then it stops.
this carbon and this carbon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
This carbon has hydrogen and this carbon has oxygen. So the hydrogen from here and the oxygen from here, they do hydrogen bond. Hydrogen
Bond.
bond, right?
Yeah.
They link together by hydrogen bond, not glycosidic one. Hydrogen bond. Okay? So these
Yeah.
hydrogen bonds between this chain and this chain, the hydrogen bonds, okay, guys, these hydrogen bonds allow many strains or many chains linked together. That's what makes cellulose more tough. Not only the beta, we just said because it has beta glycosidic bond makes it tough. And what makes cellulose more tough? The
hydrogen bonds.
Yeah, the glycogen bond. I will show you now pictures about it. Again, here, yalla, tell me, what this glucose, alpha or beta?
Second, which one?
This
We
one.
can't see it.
We can't see it. You're on the same one as
This
before.
one,
Yeah.
I gave you mark. This one. Alpha
So
or beta?
we can't see. We can't
It's
see.
still the same.
We're still on the double chain.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Now?
Yeah,
Now?
no.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. No.
Okay, this one. Alpha or beta?
Beta. Alpha.
Alpha, excellent. And this one?
Beta.
Beta.
Beta. And this is the this in ring shape. This is in straight shape. Okay, here we can see that one. Alpha or beta?
Which one?
This one.
Alpha.
Okay.
Alpha.
Alpha.
So
Alpha
1 to
1 to
4 linkage of alpha glucoses monomers, right? You can see how alpha link together. While in cellulose, it's 1 to 4 linkage of
Beta.
beta. Excellent. Okay, this clear. This clear. Now, look at this. What is that?
Cellulose.
Cellulose. Yes, this is the cellulose molecule. The cellulose, you can see many strains of beta polymer of glucoses, beta polymer of glucoses, right? As you see here, this is a beta one. Do you see? Oh, how it's down, up,
Yeah.
down, up. So this is beta chain, right?
Yes.
And because of that, it's able to make a hydrogen bond
Hydrogen
with the
bonds
upper chain, So these chains link together by hydrogen bonds, which make it tough and strong. Okay, guys?
Yes.
You got the point.
Yeah.
Enzymes that digest starch by hydrolysis. You know hydrolysis what? Hydrolysis, the opposite of dehydration. Enzyme that used to break down the bond. Dehydration form the bond. Hydrolysis break down the bond.
So by adding water.
Yeah, exactly. Our enzymes that digest starch by hydrolysis, alpha linked, cannot hydrolyze beta. So for break down the alpha bond, enzymes, and another enzymes to break down the beta bond. It's different. Cellulose in a human food passes through the digestive tract as insoluble fiber. We said that cannot digest it. Some microbes use enzymes to digest cellulose, such as bacteria. Many herbivores, from cows to termites, have symbiotic relationship with these microbes. We said this, okay? Hussein, I will tell you later. here example about this microscopic image for the bacteria. Okay, chitin. Have you heard about chitin?
I've heard the name.
Yeah,
What's it?
chitin. Chitin is a tough matter, carbohydrate, polysaccharide, structural. Now we just said cellulose is a structural, mean used for to make a structure of cell wall in a plant cell. Chitin
Yes.
is a tough polysaccharide used to make the exoskeleton of arthropods, the tough shell which found in the back of insects, for example. Chitin, it's a structure tough also to make the cell wall of fungus, the fungi. Now the
Are these
plant,
also made
yeah,
out of glucose?
what?
Are these also made out of glucose?
Made of, yeah, it's a polymer. It's a polymer of glucose, yes. But in beta, tough structure as
Yeah, yeah.
in cellulose in a plant. And this, but you have to remember, it used to make the exoskeleton of arthropods or to make the cell wall of fungi. The cell wall of plant cellulose, the cell wall of fungus,
Chitin.
chitin. This is the structure of chitin. You can see on chitin there's a difference in the glucose monomer. Look at this here in carbon number 2. It's not OH, it has NH, CO, and CH3. This group makes the glucose here is different than the other glucoses. Chitin forms the exoskeleton of arthropods, as we said. Here you can see how this insect exchange when it's grow up, because this exoskeleton does not grow up like our bones. So the insects shade it and build up another one. Chitin is used to make also the strong, flexible surgical thread. You know the surgical thread?
Yeah.
It's made of chitin.
Insects. Yay.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Next time, inshallah, we will study the lipids and the proteins. That's it for today.
Okay.
Wait, I want to take the attendance before you leave. By the way,
Everyone's here except
guys,
Yusuf.
what I shared. Sorry.
Yusuf said he's gonna go to physics today.
Mister, I have a suggestion.
Yusuf changed to physics.
He's just
Yeah.
testing both out.
Okay.
Mr. Basim,
Yes, yes, Fazil.
I have a suggestion. So you can have unlimited time without buying the Zoom Premium or whatever. It's like what Mr. Islam does. There's a thing in Zoom. If you already plan the meeting,
Yeah.
like there's this, like you can already plan the meeting, but if you tell them this time I'm gonna have this meeting,
Yes.
then that meeting doesn't end until you choose to end it.
Oh, I heard about it actually, yes, but I don't like
But
it.
the problem with that is like you have to have many different links. It's not like the same link every time.
Yeah,
So it gets
yeah,
annoying.
that's what I want to say. Now, Mr. Islam send you a link every time. I don't like that. Khalas, you come on time and finish. You see?
Yeah.
But inshallah, we're gonna upgrade the account, and even it's not hard. Then you can disconnect and connect it again.
Yeah.
Not hard.
Or we could use Discord.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. But you're gonna find a worksheet on Classera by the end of today. Okay, so please do it and submit to me. Okay. I don't know. Ask me on chat.
Sir, will you upload the video on our group or?
Sorry. Yeah, if you want it, I can send it to you. No problem. To
Yeah.
revise. Yeah. To revise the.
So for the bio quiz, it's everything we took up to now, right?
Yeah. Exactly. Everything we talk. Okay, guys. Enjoy your day.
Sir, when's the quiz?
Sorry. The quiz on
Wednesday.
Thursday. The quiz on Thursday.
Thursday?
We don't have.
Is it open book or what?
Sorry. Wednesday. I'm sorry. Wednesday.
Right.
Okay.
Open book. Yes. Open book quiz.
Okay.
Okay.
We don't have the book, but yay.
You don't have book?
Wait, sir, can you
Google, sir. Can I Google?
Habibi, I send you many resources, PowerPoints, and another copy of book on Classera. You can,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you can use
Open
it for
PowerPoint.
yourself. Yeah, you
Thank
Why
can.
do you have math right after bio?
يلا enjoy your day, okay? Stay safe.
جزاك الله خير.
Okay.
جزاك الله خير. Bye bye.
Bye bye.